court case involving a member of Kneecap in London has been adjourned until next month. Mo Chara appeared here before Westminster Magistrates Court this morning for the second time, charged with a terror offence. It's alleged he displayed a flag in support of Hezbollah at one of the group's London shows last year. The group denies the charge. In court this morning, the defence said it's sticking to its argument that the charge was brought against the bandmate outside of the 6-month limit, meaning this court now has no jurisdiction to hear the case. The prosecution, however, claims everything was done in time. No judgment was made today and court was adjourned until the 26th of September when the judge will hand down his ruling. Mo Chara has been remanded on unconditional bail until that date. An Irish language interpreter was in court this morning and will return for the next hearing. Meanwhile, outside the court this morning, hundreds of supporters gathered to show their solidarity with Mo and the band. Musical performances and activist speeches were held across the morning and into the afternoon.
Thank you everybody for coming up. We appreciate it. Obviously it's great to see the support out here. We know this story is more than just about me. It's more than Kneecap. This is a story about Palestine and us as a distraction from the real story. We know unfortunately this story will end up in the media today while Israel commits genocide at the same time. So everybody continue to speak about Palestine. Free Palestine. Thank you all for coming.